So now the inverse of the overhand sneak prep is the underhand sneak prep. So you can go same hand if you want, or the opposite hand. Underhand in one arm, stand side on. So I'm 90 degrees to the arm. And this time it's the opposite of that, where the shoulders lead in and the spiral's going out. This is the receiving arm. So the spiral's coming in from the fingertips, down the wrist, the elbow, into the shoulder. And what's going to happen is, as the rope comes past my toes, I want to kind of receive like I'm catching a clever catch here. Or, well, imagine you've got a paintbrush and you're scooping a paintbrush like that, but as it comes behind and then up and through, rather than this open palm figure of 8 going here, its wrist turns in and it scoops. So it kind of scoops here. We just exaggerate the scoop. Scoop and then up. Scoop and then up. Scoop and then up. Scoop. And you'll feel it's the spiral in from the hand with the rib rotation, spiraling in, returning the chest away this time, and then scooping up and turning the chest back. And it might feel odd in the beginning. Do it on the other hand, scooping up. You'll find the timing with it. It might hit your heel in the beginning. I'll do side on for you. Underhand, side on, and then rather than open palm as I'm coming straight back, I'm scooping, spiraling, and the body is following that wave up, like we're stirring that paintbrush. And you'll see in the sneak, I'll just show you side on so we know what the goal is. Next week we work on this, is this sneaking action as the hand sneaks behind. It's this paintbrush action. But just for now, we want to get that wrist second nature, get it muscle memory so it knows what it's doing. Drive down and scoop, drive.